cracking or failing patches after a repair signal common issues that, if addressed early, prevent larger failures. When repairing a damaged surface, start by assessing the root cause and environmental conditions that caused the original damage so your repair targets that cause directly. For patching, choose a material compatible with the substrate and match thermal movement and stiffness to avoid stress concentrations that cause new cracks. Prepare the area by removing loose material, cleaning contaminants with a solvent appropriate for the substrate, and roughening smooth surfaces to promote mechanical bond when adhesives or mortars are used. Apply repairs in layers if depth exceeds the product recommendation, compacting each layer and allowing proper cure time between layers to avoid trapped voids and differential shrinkage. Seal or coat the finished patch if the surrounding system uses a membrane or paint, and allow recommended full cure before returning the repaired element to service to prevent early load on incompletely cured material. Keep a repair log noting date, materials, batch numbers, ambient conditions during work, and any deviations from manufacturer instructions to guide future maintenance and warranty claims. The three most common issues are insufficient surface preparation, using incompatible repair materials, and neglecting post-repair inspection. If the surface was not cleaned and profiled properly, the bond will be weak, so always remove all loose material, salts, oils, and dust, and confirm a clean, textured surface before applying repair material. Using an incompatible material causes differential movement and failure, so consult technical data sheets and, when in doubt, perform a small test patch to observe adhesion and movement over time. Skipping seasonal inspections lets small failures grow into major problems, so inspect seasonally and touch up when you see new cracks or wear, and make notes in your repair log to track recurring patterns. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around local home repairs and maintenance, so we help people find contractors near them and contractors find steady work. We also host an open discussion community where we and other members share real-world experience, ask questions, and post follow-up photos so everyone can learn practical aftercare and timing for touch-ups.